I've never worked with Tyvek tape before, but this stuff is like, I don't know, it's really brittle. What's going on, everybody? Happy Wednesday. Today's Wednesday. I just finished up my Starbomb video. Finally, it was finished. It was definitely finished, excuse me, by yesterday or the day before. I should have just taken a minute to watch it yesterday and sent it off to him, but I didn't. Anyways, sending it off now, and then gotta run some errands. And we're here. We are in the shop. Errands done. Chores around the house done. Everything is done. My buddy Chase has been here, but he is actually out on some adventures without me, which is perfectly fine because I told him I have to work. I've got stuff I got to do. I got my family and stuff. I can't just like go and leave. You should go and you should leave and you should go on adventures. And he was like, yeah, that's cool. That's what I'm going to do. Again, we have a little bit of a mess in here to clean up. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to get the CNC running. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I'm going to get it running and start cleaning. Chase though came bearing gifts. Probably this beautiful piece of leopard wood, or no, it's not leopard wood. I guess it's lace wood, but to me it looks exactly like leopard wood. What do you guys think? And then he just brought me, he does a lot of violin repairs and stuff, and he brought me these, some super figured maple pieces. He wasn't sure what I could do with them, but he was like, you might be able to figure something out. Oh yeah, this is a piece of lace with blank that I have. It does look similar, except for the color. This is like super brown. That's why I think it's leopard wood. But either way, I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I'm going to do something with it. Trying out a new method. I want to do a carve, and I want to paint it after, and I don't have any, what's it called? Whatever that protection stuff is. So I'm using some Tyvek tape, and I'm going to see how that goes. Yeah, I thought that was gonna happen. It's too flaky. I've never worked with Tyvek tape before, but this stuff is like, I don't know, it's really brittle. Really good for epoxy, I hear. That's why I have it. So I guess we'll see when I need to do some epoxy for it. So I got this place cleaned up and ready to go. I'm getting a laser out because I have a buddy of mine coming up this weekend. We're gonna go camping with my other buddy, and he wanted a custom charcuterie board, so I worked on the design for that, and I got to laser that on today. Do you know who that is? You should. If you don't, I don't know if we can be friends. Yeah, so this tape definitely is a no-go. Gotta learn somehow. So this is Ron Swanson. If you don't know who he is from Parks and Rec TV show. And basically everything that he says is just pure gold. And this is one of my top favorite quotes of his. Give 100%. 100% or 110% is impossible. Only idiots recommend that. That's so good. This looks great though. Thinking of doing it on some like walnut with some white paint or something. I think it would look really nice, and I think it would sell pretty well on Etsy. Yeah, let's see how this goes. I've been kind of stressing today because we rent out our home for Airbnb, and we have renters coming tomorrow, and they're staying until Saturday, and I'm going camping on Friday. So I have to have my house ready, and I have to have my family ready to go to our other rental property to stay, and then I have to have myself ready for camping for Friday, and I have to also have my family ready for me not to be there on Friday, which they'll be fine without me, but I just want to make sure for myself that everything is fine. And I just have things I want to get done in here. I also got this all painted up, and I just laid it out, and I think I like that. I think I'm gonna glue this on, drill a hole somewhere there and there or something to hang this thing up. If I can't sell it for, I don't know, a couple bucks or something on my local marketplace. Okay, he told me to pick any piece that I had. I told him I was gonna pick one I already made, which is this beautiful spalted maple teardrop board. And his last name is Hartzell, and he's been doing this little insignia since high school. So that's what we're gonna do. And away we go. All right, Hartzell on there, Madeira design on there. Put oil in there and call it good because this thing's already finished. I also tried sanding these epoxy inlays that I did, and didn't work out. There's supposed to be a quote right here. And I sanded it away. This one did work out, except for, if you guys remember, the Yoda face is no good. Man, it would look so good. Look at this. This is Battle Droid, I think, or something. And the swirls and stuff in there would just look insane. Oh, it looks so awesome. And same with this one. This one looks super cool too. Oh, it looks so good finished, dude. So I really want to try and I want to get this. But you need a super nice detail bit for this. But that's it for me. I gotta clean up and get ready to go to work. So I will see you guys in tomorrow. That's how this works, right? Be good, be safe, be happy, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.